Hey Jammers, it's me, Blue Wolfie 30 here. Today, I just found out I cannot do a transfer price video because my recorder won't let me. It will only let me do Animal Jam. It will only let me do Animal Jam, and I don't know why. I'm okay with that, just as long as I get to make videos and have fans that love me for who I am. Just like Rescue Fox here, it's a girl and a boy at the same time, and they're my first fan that I've actually met. I don't know about her. I'm saving room for her, so that whenever you guys become my friend, you can find a bit. I'm also gonna get a new cursor because mine is really good. Isn't it? It's like I'm gonna get one that looks like a fox's head or something. Let's just go to my dead so it's less laggy. Oh, it's still there. It follows me. So this is my friend's account. It's not the best account ever, but I still use it. Oh, and I'm gonna show you guys something. Oh wait, I'm not wearing it. But yesterday I got a spike wrist, orange spike wrist, and I was really happy. Don't ignore the TV in the background. Well, this is my den. Yes, I sound sick because I am, and I will not stop making videos for you guys. That's how much I care about this channel. Yeah. Give this video a like if these are the worst animals AJ has ever come out with. I mean, all they're doing is converting a fox and a Arctic wolf. That's pretty much uncreative if it took them 4 weeks to make it. I mean, seriously, my fox looks a lot better. See, look. The dance looks kind of like it. The play, it's doing the same thing but with a mouse. The hop is the same, and the sleep isn't the same. It's kind of the same because it wraps its tail around it. Yeah, I think it's stupid. I'd rather get pets than buying that. I'd rather get the chicken, the turkey, or the gecko, or the pony. I don't know. Whenever I'm a member, I'll do a lot of things. Okay guys, I think that's all I have to go through. This is me, Blue Wolfie 30 here. Don't forget to join the wolf pack. Goodbye!